Heidi Hoback, often known as Lil Red, is an Instagram influencer and YouTube content creator. She adores the outdoors and frequently posts content that reflects her enthusiasm. Hoback is the definition of a down-to-earth and sensible person, whether she's fishing or cooking outside. She constantly vlogs her daily life while doing the things she enjoys. Heidi Hoback was born to Frederick and Paula Hoback on February 1, 1994, in Virginia, United States. Their four-member family includes an older brother called Charles Hoback. Heidi, like many other young people, aspired to be a model. To achieve that goal, she created an Instagram business account and frequently uploaded photographs in hopes of getting noticed. Back in 2015, the gorgeous and charismatic Hoback quickly drew attention worldwide, establishing herself as an influencer. Heidi wanted more, despite her growing internet influence. She put her nose to the grindstone and competed in Miss Coed 2017. Although she did not win the title, she was among the top 42. This chance gave her the required exposure to continue climbing the ranks of fame and influence. Her big break came in the shape of an unexpected message from NBA superstar LeBron James, who proposed a skill swap in which she would teach him how to hunt, and he would teach her how to play basketball. Despite its apparent innocence, the encounter was a screenshot away from scandal. Hoback, who claims she was unaware of LeBron's marital status and isn't a big basketball fan, found the scenario hilarious and posted a screenshot on social media. Despite LeBron's demise, Heidi got the moniker "the girl who LeBron DM'd," dramatically increasing her notoriety. Her Instagram followers grew to 320,000, and she was discovered by brands like Jake's Mint Chew and others. Heidi Hoback, also known as Lil Red, apparently earns around $200 daily from her YouTube channel, which has 49,000 views on average. This implies that she could earn between $4,000 and $5,000 monthly. With an estimated net worth of around $1 million, she may make much more via brand sponsorships and other revenue streams, increasing her net worth even more. Her channel's allure does not end with its host. The videos frequently feature breathtaking locations, and the videography is of high quality, elevating the material. Even though she is a model who might be walking the runway at Chanel Fashion Week, she is also an engaging host. She is open about her life as an influencer and addresses the reality of the job, such as dealing with fraud. Heidi's content is distinguished by her exciting blend of luxury and nature. She could be found in the woods grilling lamb legs one day and debating the complexities of influencer life the next. Her channel is a one-of-a-kind combination that has struck the right chord with her viewers. If you still need to discover Heidi Hoback, you should do so. Let us know what you think of this one-of-a-kind content maker in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, keep safe, and we'll see you in the next one.